How to connect Roblox to Discord account. So this is actually a very simple tutorial that I'm going to teach you guys. In order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and click the user settings on your Discord, and then we're going to click the connections. Here in the connections, what you're going to do is just click view more here, and you should be able to see here the Roblox. Now go ahead and click this one, and it is going to somehow redirect you guys supposedly to the Roblox server, just like so. Now what you are going to do here is just click the continue button. Make sure, by the way, that this is your account, which is mine here. And yeah, once you're done, just go ahead and try to scroll down and go ahead and select your account here. If you have multiple accounts, then you should be able to see it here. So again, in my case, I have selected this one. Now I'm gonna try to go ahead and scroll down and click the continue button, and then we're just going to go ahead and confirm this one. So right now it is going to redirect me back to Discord. You should be able to see this one. Alright, there you go. You should be able to see your Roblox account appearing in here. And yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.